Hi, it's Lynette here, and today I am joined by
Freya.
So Freya wanted her hair curly like Auntie Lynette, so what we did today was we used the Babyliss Curl Secret and we got some lovely curls from it. So today Freya wants to help me film, and we're going to film my latest in beauty. So as you might know, I've been kind of feeling really grotty with COVID, so I haven't managed to film anything. So today it's lovely in Scotland. I wouldn't bare my arms if I was going out the house, but I've just been kind of in the garden. And Freya's been helping. Steve, what have you been doing?
I've been cleaning the car with Uncle Steve.
Cleaning the car. So this is my latest in beauty. I'm a pre-existing customer, so I get 9 items for £18. However, if you join up today, they only do the 6 item box. However, if you are interested, I've got 10% off in the description box. So I'm going to ask Freya to pass me the items one by one. You're going to pass me them and we can talk a little bit about them. So first of all, what have we got here? Revolution
in Skin
Collagen Boosting. Yeah, so we've got the Revolution Skin Collagen Boosting Serum. So I love skincare, and this month there was quite a lot of Revolution Skin products, so I picked those up. So I have used the kind of collagen in the past before. So there you go, you get a fair wee amount there. Next, what do we have there, Freya?
Skin Hydrating Refreshing Hair Mask.
So we've got the Sukin, which is an Australian brand. It's hair care, it's hydrating, replenishing hair mask, and it's paraben free. So for dry hair type, so perfect for my hair. And I do love a hair mask. I put them on if I'm having a shower or a bath at night, and then just rinse them off in the morning. What have we got next?
The One Up.
One Up. What's
eye
One
cream.
Up eye cream? Yep. So this is New Me Game On One Up. And it says for skin and planet lovers. So it's got 3% peptide and 2% ginkgo biloba. So it's a super combo eye cream. I love the packaging on that. I'll show you what it looks like. I always damage these boxes trying to get into them. So that's a fair amount actually. That'll last a while. And it says I'm made of 21% recycled plastic.
The next is Bemish Powerful Breakthrough Ingredient Clear and Glass Skims Sun Anti-Perfection Vet A 1% Disc Serum.
Thank you. So that's Revolution Skin 1% IPC skin treatment. So it's for blemishes. So every now and again I get a bit of a hormone breakout round the chin. So this is powerful breakout ingredient, clears and calms skin. So I'm going to take it out of the box for you to see. So yeah, there was lots of Revolution skincare on there, and this is it here. So that's just handy to keep for when you have a wee breakout. It does reduce the inflammation, and the breakout kind of does go away quicker. Just don't poke about at it like I could do. So what's this, Freya?
Next is
Need to come into the camera.
Next is Revolution Skin Brighten Freshes and Does Active for upon mixes for maximum effect.
Oh, Freya's going to take it out of the box for me. So there's two, is there 2 items in that box?
Yes.
Yep. So there's 2 items in this box, and it's Revolution Skin 15% vitamin C powder serum. So it brightens, it has a fresh and potent dose, activate upon mixing for maximum effect. You get 2 items in here, right? So I will need to actually go and Google how we use it. So we did get a Revolution Skincare brochure. And it says it tackles dark spots and fine lines, giving a juicy glow with added grapeseed oil to soften the skin. So I probably will need to kind of Google, because there's no danger I'm reading that, even with a magnifying glass. So I'll find out, you know, which order they go on.
Next is Revolution Skin again.
Another Revolution Skin.
There's a lot of this.
There is a lot of it, isn't it? Oh, what's this? So it's collagen boosting moisturiser from Revolution Skin, and it says vegan collagen, olive stem cells and tremella mushroom to protect and mimic collagen. So looking forward to trying that. That's why I love this box. Don't often get a lot of makeup in it, and it can be skincare heavy, but I do love my skincare. What's next?
There is more Revolution Skin. Basically, all of this is Revolution Skin.
Most of it is Revolution Skin.
Hydrate Blend Oil locks in moisture, class skin glow, and
Freya's taking it out for me. There we go, thank you. So this is Revolution Skin Hydrating Blend. There we go. So what does it say about it on the leaflet? So it has squalene, so hydrating oil blend with squalene, a unique combination of squalene, rosehip seed, calendula oil and apricot kernel oil work together to drive in hydration, giving you an instant dewy skin glow. So I get that quite a lot anyway with the menopause, to be honest with you. So I'm looking forward to trying this. It's always nice, especially you know, if you've got the heating on and things like that. We've hardly ever got the heating on though, to be honest. What have we got next?
Red to Serum Sick. I can barely read that.
You can barely read it.
But
Retinol serum. So this is from a brand that is called Habitual Skin. That's what it is. The blueprint to beautiful skin, and you get money off. Offer thanking you. Yeah, Habitual Retinol Serum. So you can actually double up on your serums as well if you kind of want to use different ones. Oh, we don't need to take that out the box because it's all locked up. Now, I gave this away in a giveaway, one that I bought for a video. If you want to go and have a look and see what's in that, I'll put it below. But it's the Revolution Pro Goddess Glow Bronze Heat. And it's a combination of highly pigmented shadow, a mix of foil, glitter, shimmer and matte finishes, and it's encased in a stunning tortoiseshell palette for the ultimate goddess glow. So I will be putting that in a giveaway, so you need to pop over to my the Year of Less group if you want to win this, and just say Goddess Glow and I'll enter you into the draw. I'll put the details below for you to go and join the group. But I thought I would do that for the people that are on there kind of supporting me. But that's a gorgeous palette. So, in all, we got 9 items. We got the palette. We got the blemish treatment. We got the Sukin hair mask. We got the Revolution Skin Hydrating Blend Oil. I tend to use an oil at night. Revolution Skin Collagen Boosting Moisturiser. Vitamin C powder serum, which I need to work out how I actually use because nobody can read that, can they? The directions. We got the Habitual Retinol Serum.
Serum from
the One Up
powdered ingredient
eye cream and the Revolution Collagen Boosting Serum. So we're going to go, because we're going to film a couple of videos.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, thank you, Freya. I always forget to do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content.
And if you want to see my videos, type in Sunny Girls.
Sunny Girls. I'll pop a link. That was a nice wee... that was a nice one, Freya. I'll pop a link in the description if you want to pop over and subscribe to Freya's channel. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.